Hey, Scott O'Brien here from PPC Ad Lab, and in this video, I'm going to take you through the steps to upload contacts into PPC Ad Lab. So that's taking a CSV file and upload it into PPC Ad Lab, so contacts are then in PPC Ad Lab. Really simple to do. All you need to do is log into your PPC Ad Lab account, and on the left-hand side, select Advertisers. When you select Advertisers, you will come to this page. We then need to come to the right here and select Add. When you put this Add, you'll get a modal pop-up. What we need to do is we need to upload a CSV, so we just select the Upload CSV file. Here it will give you some parameters that you need to make sure in your CSV. First off, it must be a CSV file, and second, you must have these headings. Now, if you want an example CSV, come to the question mark in the bottom left-hand corner, click on this, put example CSV in for client upload, and you'll find it in there. One thing that is really, really important is the advertiser is the customer's URL. So for example, PPC Ad Lab would be ppcadlab.com. And this is really important. And the reason it's important is this is where the data syncs across. So PPC Ad Lab finds PPC providers, and if they're running PPC, we need to match them with the content that's in your file. So we need to make sure, okay, you've ran a job and you found PPC Ad Lab in one of your jobs. Let's match them to a CSV. Now, to do this, the URL must be in there. So the URL is super important. So put the URL in and we'll match it across. Once you've added the details in that you need, you can just click import and then you choose your CSV. So I'm going to choose my CSV here. Once it's uploaded, you'll see examples in here. So you can see the advertiser, so that's my URL, first name, last name, email address, I've got phone number, I've got the type, and then I've got LinkedIn. Okay, so you can choose which bits you add in and which you choose not to add in. The next thing you need to choose is whether you want this to be enabled or disabled. Now, if you enable these, what happens is when they get uploaded into PPC Ad Lab, you can send emails, or PPC Ad Lab can send emails to these people. If you disable these, when you upload them into PPC Ad Lab, they will not receive emails. Okay, so they will be disabled and they will not be able to receive emails. So a couple of examples of why you might want to do this. You might have a list of potential customers that you want to outreach to, your top 100. You would upload them in, you've got their contact details, and you click enabled because you want to outreach to those people. You might have a list of customers in here that you've already got, and you want to make sure that they're not included in any of your marketing campaigns. So you might want to upload those in and click disabled, and then they will not be included in any emails that are sent from PPC Ad Lab. So that's just a couple of examples. Once you've done that, you just need to click save. These will upload into PPC Ad Lab and you'll get a little notification to say they've been uploaded successfully, and your enabled or disabled pile, depending on what you've done, will increase or decrease. You will also see on the right-hand side here, we've got another column. Just move back. You'll see this orphaned. Now, I just want to explain what this means so that you understand it and it's clear. So there are three statuses in PPC Ad Lab. Enabled means we have found data for them in one of your jobs and we can send them emails. Disabled is we have found data for them, but we can't send them emails. Orphaned is we have not found any data for them in PPC Ad Lab, which means you have ran a job and that job has not found that URL in a job. So you could upload a list of 100 prospects that you want to outreach to, and maybe only 50 of them you found jobs and data for. Though that other 50, they will just live in orphaned, and you'll be able to see them in here. So this allows you to understand, okay, which of my contacts have I not found data for? Okay, here's this customer. Maybe I should build and run a job that's specific to them to try and find that customer in there and be able to pull data in. But that is how you upload CSVs into PPC Ad Lab, guys. It's really, really simple. Any questions, hit up the live chat through the widget in the bottom right-hand corner. Thanks for your time.